Hello everybody, my name is Stefan Schrader. I'm a soil ecologist at the Thünen Institute in Braunschweig in Germany, and I'm the deputy leader of the Institute of Biodiversity, and I have a working group dealing with the functions of soil fauna in land use soil. And I'm also teaching at the university for students. So what we are doing in our group is that we are mainly studying the functions of soil fauna groups like earthworms, springtails, potworms, mites and so on, and nematodes in the soil. What do they do for soil fertility? What do they do for the development and formation of the soil structure, decomposition of organic material and so on. And within this context we got the opportunity to participate in the EU project BIOservicES, which started 2 years ago. So my role is regional coordinator for the Continental Region, and within this area we have different land use types which we study, and this is agriculture, that are forests, semi-natural sites, and we also have urban sites, and something special in this area, it's a huge mining area.
Explain you a little bit about how this actually works. Right here we see the mining forefield. So everything you can see here is actually going to get excavated by the bucket wheel excavator. The first bucket wheel excavator we see here, it's like on the first layer. This is the bucket wheel excavator who actually is also taking up the topsoil, which is very important for agricultural recultivation. Used to refill the pit on the other side. So this is like the side which grows into this direction, and then on the other side actually it's going to rebuild. Of course at the end there's going to be a big hole because we digged out all the coal, and so there's going to be a big sea afterwards.
On this area here you see it's quite diverse, quite different to the areas we have been around, and the place we are standing on is up until I think 10 years ago it was the highest point of Thünen. It's called the Höller Horn, and it was the first large-scale area in which we changed our substrate, which we used in recultivation. What we have also done is to plant some tree species which are growing fruits, for example, for the first 4 years that wildlife can find some suitable food for themselves, which normally would not grow here, but that's also okay for the authorities to just give the wildlife, for example, something to eat.
So the BIOservicES project is a very great opportunity to collaborate with a lot of working groups all over Europe, and that also means that in different European countries we may save similar problems or the same problems, and to exchange the experiences, the data, the results contributes to develop recommendations